Last stream before Christmas. Let's hope this is a good one. I'm going to continue with bottom pair and backdoors. I think we're going to try and go for a check raise in this spot with the 4-5 diamonds. He could be barreling a flush draw himself here, which we do have beat with our pair of fives. And I do expect these flush draws to continue, like ace, jack, ace, king, ace, 10 of diamonds. I guess he didn't have that hand. Defended ace 5 suited, we're going to check call the flop. So what do we do here versus his ace x? I think we're going to go for a check raise. But versus an overbet, I think we just call. Nice. We're going to check call 10-9. Turn card should be a lot better for me than for him. So we are going to bluff river. Wow, he makes a great call. Queens, we will 3-bet. We face a 4-bet, which we are definitely not folding. The question is, do we flat or do we jam? I think we're going to call. I think we're just going to jam this flop. Alright, good luck. Well, that's one for me. Two for me. Nice hand. Pocket nines. We can see that. And we're going to continue versus check raise. See a brick turn card. And we are going to call twice here with pocket nines. We still beat eights, sevens, and a6 type hand. And that's a great river card now because we do also beat 5-6. He likes to barrel again. He doesn't have too much value hands here. We're going to call this off. Nice. Ace king, we are going to 3-bet. We see another 4-bet now. Seen the spot. It's the second time today. And I think this time we're just going to rip it in. Right, flipping again. Yes, well, we've won 2 flips. Flat deuces on the button. Bottom set in a multi-way. We are definitely going to be betting here to try and thin the field and get value. Alright, so we see a brick turn. We are going to bet twice. We're going to call this check raise here with king queen, and I think we'll go for a 2/3 pot here. I think with bottom set, and we're going to call twice with king queen, and that should be a really good river card here. Decides to jam. This hand, I don't think it's a bluff. This sizing, and if it was, then nice bluff. Alright, looks like a fun flop here for queen 7 of clubs. I think the standard play here is to just call. Above average turn card. And one, I think, falls into a 125% category. Not a good river card now because we have a a lot of flush draws that play this way on the turn. Right, we're gonna bet the river and bet fold. I'm not sure about the sizing. Yeah, I don't think I like the sizing I chose here. I think I should have gone smaller. Nice hand. Should have taken a bit more time, I think, to think about that spot. Nines against this guy. We're just gonna flat. And we're gonna check call nines. And we're going to block bet the river here. Don't expect us to ever get raised here in this spot. Nice. He had Jack 7. Nice flop here with 5-6 hearts. We're going to go for a small c-bet. This is definitely a turn card which we are going to double barrel on. So he's trying to say he's got aces up, or he's flopped a set here. So we know what river card we're looking for here, boys. And that's not it. Yeah, we check back. Oh, wow. I'm pretty surprised to have won that, to be fair. Yeah, nice check raise, I guess, with the gut shot. Right, we're gonna 3-bet aces here. Get snap called. We're gonna c-bet this board with aces. On this turn card, I think I like going for check jam here. And we are definitely going to bet the river here with aces. Nice. And we're going to defend 10-8 suited versus this small 3-bet. And we're going to check back 10-8. Given we check the flop, I don't think we have too much flush draws now. So I think we're just going to try and represent the King X hand. We may have just rivered him here. Yes, and we did. Nice hand. Ace deuce. I'm going to just defend. I'm going to call the c-bet. He now decides on a check. I don't see him having much King X hands that play this way. Right, so we're going to take over the betting lead. Right, nice. Coming for the 4-bet with kings. Lovely, lovely flop. Right, we're going to check the flop. And we are going to bet the turn to check back the river. That sucks. We can defend this 3-bet with Jack 8 suited. Jack 8, we're going to call. We're going to call twice. And we're going to check river. Very good. Ace 5 suited. We opened. We c-bet. We're going to bet twice. This looks like a pretty perfect run out here for our hand. I guess the only hand we're targeting here is like an ace-x of diamonds type hand. Nice. So he had an ace of diamonds, but no flush draw. Here, I like an overbet here because we do want to drive out his flush draws and 10x hands. So Jack 9, Ace Jack completes, which are the hands that we're going to try and represent here. So we are going to overbet the river here. Nice call. Yeah, he rivered 2 pairs, so yeah, nice call. Right, it's 3-bet kings. We see a snap 4-bet, which I think I'm not going to mess around here, and I think we're just going to shove kings. Right, that's one for me. No. Damn it. Alright, nice hand. I'm going to 3-bet ace deuce here. And we're going to c-bet. On this turn card, I think we are going to apply some pressure. Right, very good. Alright, and that's the end. So we're down just like 50 big blinds, I think, today. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. And yeah, thanks for joining, everyone. And I'll see you next time. And Merry Christmas.